Today, I'll show you how to fix your microphone in 7 different ways. Let's get started. Go to the Windows Start menu and type Microphone Privacy Settings and open this app. Make sure Microphone Access is turned on. From here, make sure the app you want to use your microphone in is turned on. If it still doesn't work, go to the Windows Start menu and type Change System Sounds and hit Enter. Go to the Recording tab. Choose the microphone and make sure it's set as default. When you talk, these green bars should light up, indicating that it works. If it still doesn't work, don't leave yet. Here's what you do. Make sure that the microphone or headset is connected correctly to your computer. Make sure that the microphone is positioned correctly. If your headset has a mute button, make sure it isn't active. In the software you're trying to use your microphone in, there could be settings where you choose your microphone. Make sure the correct microphone is selected there. If this doesn't work, try updating the drivers. Otherwise, try contacting support from the microphone manufacturers. If nothing here worked, just ask in the comments and I could help you there. Until next time, make sure you like and subscribe, as almost no one that watches my videos are subscribed. Thanks for watching.